Good morning friends. Today I am going to teach you how to create seamless pattern for uneven lines like these. So let's not waste any time promoting my channel and follow this tutorial step by step. I have copied a reference image in Adobe Illustrator which I am going to create in Seamless. So according to my understanding, this part of the image is one repeat of this pattern. Let's start using rectangular tool and draw these multicolor stripes. Use eyedropper tool to pick the color from the image. You can also use your own color swatch. Press Alt and Shift to make a copy and place next to the previous rectangle. Pick the color and fill. Reduce the width of the rectangle if required. Do this for all the line in one repeat area. I am using grey color instead of white as it can be visible in the white background of the page. I think one repeat of this pattern is ready. I am going to increase the height of these rectangles. Now we have to add nodes on the upper part of the rectangles. Press Ctrl R to open the ruler on top and left side of workspace. Drag the cursor from top ruler to bring down a guideline. Keep the guideline ½ inch below the top edge of the rectangle. Do this again and keep the guideline ½ inch above the bottom edge of the rectangle. Now right click on blank page and click on Lock Guides. This will prevent the guide to move from its place. Now use direct selection tool, click on the first rectangle and then select the add node tool under the pen tool. You can also open this tool by using shortcut key plus in the keyboard. Now add nodes on both sides of each rectangle as you see here in the video. You can also use shortcut key A for direct selection tool and plus for add node tool. Do it for all the rectangle one by one. Once the top nodes are added, do same thing again in the bottom. I will fast forward a little to make the video short. Once it is completed, right-click on the blank space and click Unlock Guides. And then delete both guidelines. Now using direct selection tool, drag a rectangle to only select the center parts of the rectangle. Remember, use only direction selection tool for selection. Now open Wrap tool from the toolbar. You can double-click on the Wrap tool icon to change the size of the wrap area circle. Right now I am using 150 point to reduce the size. Do this for both width and height value. Now using this tool, try to change the shape of the rectangle slightly as per your requirement. Have you noticed the top and bottom part of these rectangles are not moving from its place? The reason why I have added nodes on both top and bottom edges and selecting only the center areas of these shapes. We do not need these grey or white lines as it can be added later. So I am going to delete it by selection using Magic Wand tool. My one repeat is ready. Let's create a seamless pattern. For that, select everything, then go to Object, Pattern, then click on Make. It will give you the preview of seamless pattern. Right now I need to add space between each repeat, so let's increase the value of the width here. This looks perfect. Now double click on the blank space and you will see a new pattern swatch is added in the swatch window. Let's test it. Draw a rectangle and fill the generated pattern swatch. Looks perfect. Let's scale down and check. Right click on the pattern, then transform, then scale. Make sure that only transform pattern box is checked. Change the value of uniform scale up or down to do the scale. Press OK to see it in page. If you have any question, feel free to write in the comment box. I'll be looking forward for more queries to do demonstration. So if you like this tutorial, kindly like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.